Thank you, Chair, Commissioner. The future of Kosovo is international recognition and Europe. The efforts being made by Kosovo society and institutions deserve more of both. More international recognition and more Europe. Unfortunately, there are still EU countries that do not recognize Kosovo, some of them, like Spain, for reasons that have nothing to do with Kosovo, but with Catalonia. They do not want to recognize the legality of a unilateral declaration of independence. That is why Spain is the only country in the Schengen area that will not apply the visa exemption approved by the EU. Soon, we will have an EU Council presidency that will have to defend a policy on Kosovo that the President does not apply to himself. Thank you very much.